Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine, enjoying your life well. Viewers, in this video I'm going to show you very beautiful baby dresses ideas, baby balloon style dresses ideas, baby balloon frog design, princess swap design. If you want to buy these designing ideas, still wait the last week of the month. Viewers, if you want to buy this design and if you want to stitch this design on order, then contact to the number 0331 5775 641. Children clothing is most often more casual than adult clothing, fit for play and rest. Most recently, however, a lot of children's wear is heavily influenced by trend in adult fashion. Grandma bait is retail industry term for most expensive children clothing. Due to the rise of social media platforms such as Instagram, celebrities and fashion bloggers have been using their account to post of their children wearing luxury street style clothing, thus inspiring parents to dress their children as they would dress themselves. Good quality, well designed garment and a priority for some parents, and children clothing is getting a prime place in top label stores and high-end fashion retail outlet. Dresses are also getting separately designed for boys and girls at early age. If you want to buy these designing ideas, then search more websites. If you want for Eid, if you want for your children birthdays, if you want for party wear, if you want designing ideas for yourself, visit our channel. We upload many designing ideas for adult also. If you want to know about stitching, if you want to learn about stitching, cutting, then also visit our channel. We upload very tutorials for you on our channel. Viewer, net frocks have their different grades in case of silk frock and other type of frocks. If you want Barbie frocks, then contact out.